Hi everyone, it's me Filipina and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, we're unboxing for my first makeup kit from Amazon. So let's see what's inside. Makeup kit is also from my subscriber. So let's get started. Hi, so it's me. So let's gonna open this box. So unbox with me. Wow, my gosh, I'm so excited. So I'm not sure if it's a makeup kit or a shoe. It doesn't look like makeup. Because this is my first time. Oh my god, this is not a makeup kit. It's a shoe. Wow, my gosh. So I expect it was a makeup kit, but it was the shoe. It's beautiful. I have one makeup kit and 3 pairs of shoes from Amazon. Every pair. So, okay, let's gonna make an intro again. I have to make an intro again. So, this is very nice. So, since this is not a makeup kit, then we're gonna wear this one and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. So, for makeup kit, we're gonna check it later. So, I really expect it was the makeup kit. So, this is it, the shoe. Shoe. So, it's beautiful. I love it. So after this one, we're gonna fit it on. So here's the shoes. I'm gonna focus. It's really beautiful. So I have the high heels. I'm gonna fit this one.
Oh my god. You know what? My size is 5 point.
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.